This is video number 7 of my weekly series where I try to make $180 per week selling a covered call on Hims stock. Now this is a position, hold on. Now this is a position that I've had for a while now. You can see that I first bought the latest round of shares that I'm currently still holding on June 30th. I bought 100 shares at $50.01. I don't know why I'm using that piece of paper anymore. I'm home now. Let me use the dry erase board. But first, before I erase the dry erase board, these are the stocks that I was looking at last week. The premiums you can see were $40 per contract, $34 per contract, or $50 per contract. This was last week. This morning, though, the premiums are significantly lower and the risk is a lot higher on these stocks right now. So I'm not going to be selling covered calls on any of these. Even if the premiums are a little bit higher, the risk is also higher and I just don't want to do that. Okay, so I still have the 100 shares purchased at the end of June at $50. I sold a covered call this morning with a strike price of $50. That means it's going to break even. There's going to be no profit here on the sale of the stock, but I made $80 on the premium. So on the 18th, which is this Friday, if it expires at $50 or over, my shares are gone, but I keep this $80 premium. If the stock closes at $49.99 or anywhere below, I keep my shares, I still keep the premium, which means I can just sell another covered call. However, I purchased 200 more shares this morning of Hims at $47.84. That cost me $9,568. And then I immediately sold 2 covered calls to expire on the 18th, so the same Friday, with a premium of $322.67. That's what I made selling these 2 contracts. I keep that $322 no matter what. However, if the stock hits $48, it is sold at $48. But I purchased it at $47.84, which is a 16-cent gain, so it's not very much, but it still adds up to $32 because I have 200 shares. So this is what it's going to look like for me on the 18th. If the stocks or the shares are assigned, I will make $434.67. If they are not assigned, I will just keep the $402.67. Now make sure you're following this playlist down below because on Friday I will update this series showing you exactly what ended up happening, how much I made, and what my plan is for the following week. Okay, I thought this video was done, but wait, there's more. I saw that Oklo was around $57 and paying a pretty high premium. So I bought 100 shares of Oklo at $56.85. It cost me $5,685. And I immediately sold a covered call with a strike price of $57 that will expire on the 18th. And I made $2.40 per contract or $240. So if Oklo closes over $57 per share on Friday the 18th, my shares are gone, but I do keep this $240 premium. And if they are assigned, it's going to be about a 15-cent gain, so $15 because I have 100 shares. So I would make $255 if the shares are assigned or $240 if they aren't. So just on the premiums alone, $240 from Oklo and $402.67 from Hims. That brings my total for this week to $642.67.